Selamat datang di kampus impianmu, tempat yang akan menemanimu dalam waktu yang tak lama. Kampus telah memujukmu untuk kuliah dengan sandaran harapan, nilai, serta gelar. Kini langit di kampus ini akan jadi saksi pertumbuhan keyakinanmu. Jejak-jejak muda seperti apa yang hendak kamu toreh. Memori indah tercermin di sini. Kampus biru menjadi kebanggaan kita semua.
Saya ucapkan selamat datang kepada para mahasiswa, mahasiswi di kampus Sekolah Tinggi Teknologi WASTUKANCANA yang kita cintai.
Salam mahasiswa. STT.
WASTUKANCANA.
Berkarakter.
Istimewa.
PKKMB 12.
Cerdas, berkarakter, berprestasi.
Do you remember climbing out your windowsill? You met me late at night before the sun could hold you still. We're running to a tired door and had to deal, holding on to the good days. What I'm trying to say is, hey, you let go of the wheel, like someone got the brakes loose. Let's get lost for real. I know love will find a way to you, but would you trust me if it took a leap of faith to make it real? Just let go of the wheel. Just let go of the wheel. Let go of the
Way outside, you said you won't be long. Took your time, racing mind. I know there's something wrong. Wonder why? Tell me why, tell me why. No one else was you and I. Tell me now, talk it out. Hit it like I didn't notice, no. I think you should know you don't have to stay. Even if you go, I'll be okay. We can take it slow till there's nothing left to say. Even if you go, we'll find a way. Find a way. thrown into this just like that. Leaving fast, I know we're new to this, meant to last. Tell me why no one else is you and I. Tell me now, talk it out. Hit it like I didn't notice, no. I think you should know, you don't have to stay. Even if you go, I'll be okay. We can take it slow till there's nothing left to say. Even if you go, we'll find a way. Find a way. Find a way. I think you should know, you don't have to stay. Even if you go, I'll be okay. We can take it slow till there's nothing left to say. Even if you go, we'll find a way. Find a way.
PKKMB 2018.
Setiap detik kami berpikir, apa itu arti mahasiswa? Mahasiswa seperti bayi yang baru lahir, tidak mengenal apa itu kedengkian. Saling berbaru dengan semua orang, melangkah dengan keyakinan untuk mencapai tujuan. Langkah kaki ini terus berjalan, menghadapi perubahan. Tidak bimbang, tidak ragu, tidak takut, dan berani. Mencari ilmu demi masa depan, berjuang melawan pikiran yang negatif. Menjadi generasi bangsa yang kreatif, menjadi sosok pemimpin yang bijaksana. Berjuang, itulah jiwa mahasiswa.
Take it slowly, 'cause it feels like time has got something to show me. Through a crowded room, look at me like you know me. Ain't it funny how a second lasts forever when we're together? And I might get enough one day, but I won't let this feeling fade away. I know it won't stop, and if we turn our love up, why should we change? We were amazing yesterday. Remove the pressure, and if it's meant forever, I'll make you stay. Don't let this feeling fade away. Don't let this feeling fade away. Don't you hurry, I will show you all the treasures that I bury. Try to hide, but you just always see right through me. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but you're the reason that I'm not living. I know it won't stop, if we turn our love up, why should we change? We were amazing yesterday. Remove the pressure, and if it's meant forever, You're the light that guides my way on empty roads. When my burdens show, 'cause I walk alone. You're the brightness in the dark inside my soul. 'Cause I know that I'm the name on your lips, boy. Take my pain with your kiss, boy. Here I'll stay, I'll stay. Oh, I love you, so I follow your heart like a flame in the dark. Yeah, I need you, so I never let go. You're mine to hold, baby. I'm lost without your direction. Won't make it home till I make your home. So I follow your heart like a flame in the dark. I follow your heart.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, PKKMB 2018 telah selesai dilaksanakan. Saya selaku Ketua PKKMB 2018 mengucapkan selamat bergabung di STT WASTUKANCANA.
I'm the name on your lips.